Hey, this is Rick with Bell Camper Sales, Bartlesville, Oklahoma. I'm going to show you the Durango Gold 356 RLT today. So we'll start here in the back. You've got your couch. You've got a lot of storage up top above it here. Got push button LEDs. Got your shades. And you got your blackout shades. Walking over here, you've got your TV, your stereo, entertainment system. You got a little fireplace. These fireplaces are great. They work good. Coming over here, you have got your dual chairs. One really cool feature about these, they have the massage and heat in them. Really nice after a hard day at the lake. Walking this way, you've got your kitchen. It has your island with your big farm sink. It does have a dishwasher on this model. Gotta have one of those at the lake. And coming over here, you've got a 3-burner propane cooktop. Got your stove or your oven down here. Up above it, you have your convection microwave oven. Again, notice all the storage. There's a lot of storage on this model. You can never have too much storage in a camper. You got your double door refrigerator here, along with your double door freezer. Moving over here, have a nice big pantry. This one is equipped with the central vac system. Again, more storage. Got a nice little countertop here. Notice the countertops are solid surface. Again, more storage, and that's your central vac system down in the bottom. Walking over here, you've got your table that does extend out to make it a little bigger. So again, nice spacious living area in here. Let's put you on hold and we'll walk upstairs. Okay, here we are in your bathroom. Again, solid countertops, nice big shower. Got a towel closet here. Have your stool. Have more storage. Have a GFI plug-in in here. 3 drawers below. And under the sink storage. So let's keep moving. Let's check out the bedroom. Okay, here we are in the bedroom. You got a nice full queen-size bed here. You got your TV, you got your dresser drawers over here, and then walking over here, you got a great big closet. It is a walk-in closet. You got storage all the way across here. A very nice camper. Again, it's a Durango Gold 356. It comes with a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Come see me down here at Bell Camper Sales and we'll get you camping.